Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another market update, guys. Make sure that you watch this video till the end. There are some specifically important news which I'm going to share, which is going to help you to create a better bias for today and like for the next weeks. Okay, so make sure that you watch the video till end so that you can have the idea for the today. So today market fell very aggressively. So this was something which we discussed yesterday because we were showing an unusual amount of call rating which was happening in Nifty and both Bank Nifty. And one more thing which came up in this is how heat maps looks like. And in this heat map you can see one specific thing. Okay, so one is Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance. Both were like tanking like anything. So this is the main reason why like all these financial sectors were like pulling down market very aggressively today in the morning, and like we saw some sort of recovery coming in the second half, and we were able to close little better than we are supposed to. Like we were showing like around 12, 2 o'clock range, 1 o'clock range, we were like Nifty, Bank Nifty were like Bank Nifty were almost like 600 point down. Then we saw a solid recovery happen. So why Bajaj Finance failed fall aggressively today? That is a big question which was everybody was asking. So the main reason why Bajaj Finance fell today is like because their asset management. Okay, there is a like they do asset management also. So their asset management profits or like margins came out below the estimates. Okay, that is the main reason. Even though their loan growth everything is increasing, but their asset management didn't perform as the expectations. Okay, that is the reason why Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv started falling very aggressively. When Finance and Finserv is falling like 6% and 7% and all, there is no chance like all the other companies can push Nifty and Bank Nifty together. So if you see that like in the broader market, like if almost like the reason why I'm showing you a heat map is it's not a big fall happened across the sector today. Okay, so this was something which was happened due to one or two companies. Okay, this was like two major heavyweights had like a really bad day, and that is the reason why we saw a heavy fall. So I usually don't show you this a heat map, so just want to make sure that you understand. Okay, if you check all the mid cap and small cap also, we were seeing very less activities. Okay, so mid cap was like this is like your mid cap stocks were like almost like 0.5 percentage up. Small cap were like very pretty flat also. This shows that okay, this is showing you that like the underlying broader market is still kind of showing strength only. Nifty and Bank Nifty showed weakness only because of the two stocks which were like heavyweights in the both of thing. A financial sector in it as like heavyweights. That is the reason why there was a huge fall happen. Now coming to tomorrow, so what is the best way to trade tomorrow is you can create a bias. I am little bullish, but there are a couple of data which is coming out today, which is going to be very important for US market, and this is going to determine the direction of US market in for like tomorrow, and we will be like moving according to that. Okay, so first one is jobless like claim data is coming out. So it is going to be very important how jobless claim data is coming out. If it is like started to show weakness. Okay, the last time when the jobless claim data came out, like it was showing strength. So if there is a weakness which is coming into jobless claim data, that means there is like economic recession is going to happen, or like whatever job market is also shrinking, that is also going to impact. And another thing which is going to come today is PMI. US PMI data is coming out, so this is also going to be an important event. So whatever it is going to be coming out, that direction, like if it is positive, that direction market is going to head higher or lower. So for tomorrow I'm actually bullish. I have some created some little amount of bullish position, so I just risk half of my profit only. I had a really good day. I told you guys I was holding a strangle yesterday, so that was like I almost like paid almost my that I was created in one was created in Nifty, and one was created in Bank Nifty. So the Bank Nifty one was actually I paid my premium was around total premium. The call side and put side together was like I paid around 360 rupees. and the fall was so aggressive. My put side premium almost went to 640. So I was able to make around 200 250 points in like one lot. So that was an awesome trade. Bank Nifty was like I created a strangle in that, but like Nifty didn't fall that much. Because of that, like I was able to exit with like a 500 rupees profit in one lot, but it was good. The other thing which was like was one of my friend actually, who was like my mentee was also, now he's working with the Heavenspire also. He showed me one like a really good stock, and like, his name is Gaurav. Okay, I should give credit to this thing. Power Finance Corporation. Okay, this was one of the craziest trade we took. Gaurav was also one who spotted this thing. So see, we traded somewhere. We entered here. Okay, so this was doing this VCP kind of contraction in 15-minute time frame. If you check here, this was like a forming a proper VCP here. So he was able to like identify this thing, and like he just asked me, bro, like it's looking good. We should go long here. So even I was like long on this thing. This was like a solid VCP which was forming here, and we entered somewhere around here. Just within like 30 minutes or so, we were able to make 8k in per lot. Okay, so that was such a crazy trade. Per lot we were able to make a crazy 8 RR. In Heavenspire Discord also we shared this call out, and people were able to make some really good money. I was so happy that because our bank nifty position didn't give do well, so I gave a call out also there, like it didn't do well also there. So when I gave this one, it was perfect. All credit to Gaurav for this one. So this is really awesome trade. So now coming to tomorrow, I want you guys to tomorrow do is like, if there is bullishness is coming in, the stocks which you need to focus is going to be metals. Okay, I feel like metals and financial service. In this financial service, look for small cap and mid caps financial service. That is going to give you a huge amount of returns in the intraday basis. Also there will be potentially these kind of setups which are, these are like comes under FinServ, and like you will be seeing like a lot of action in these kind of stocks. Make sure that you keep metals, FinServs, and consumer products, both these things in your watch list. That is going to give you a tremendous amount of return. Okay, so now coming into Nifty. So Nifty is something which is playing out like, there is like, if you check, so there is where like, that's where like our call rating comes into play. This is like next week call rating. Now also there is a significant amount of call writing is happening in Nifty. Okay, there is huge amount of call writing is happening in Nifty. So in 18,000 itself, okay, this is one very important thing. 18,000 itself, there is like around 5 million call out call writing is there. So if US market is turning out to be positive and we were able to gap up around 50-60 point, then we will see good amount of short covering in 18,000, and we might go to 18,100 150 level by the closing. This is pretty much possible in Nifty. Same thing can happen in Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty is going to face like lot of resistance around 43,000. So we need to break that level to be very aggressive going forward. So if you want to be bullish on Bank Nifty, 43,000 is the level which should break. Then if it is start to sustain, that is where we will be like look for aggressive longs. Okay, and if you are a person who is like looking for shorts, I would ideally short somewhere around here. Okay, 18,200 220. If it is like, if Nifty start to reject from 200 range, that is where like I will be looking for a shorting opportunity. Till that time, we can expect a strong pullback from here, because if there is a positive news coming out from US, then this will push market higher, and this push can minimum go to 100 or 200 points possible, because of the call writing which is there on top, and people start to unwind calls, and this can push higher. So for tomorrow, what you need to focus is, specifically I won't suggest you to focus on Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. I would suggest is focus on trading stocks, and if you are able to find out like really good contraction stocks, that is where you should be potentially looking. So I personally looking for like metals, consumer products, and like finance service. These are the stocks which will be like I will be looking. US market, I'm not going to discuss about anything in US market today, because it is an event driven day. So there is no point of speculating this will happen in US market. I have a slightly bullish bias, but I might be wrong also. So let's see how the events are playing out. Based on that, it will be happening. So see you guys tomorrow with another video. Hopefully these videos are helping you to learn something. Make sure that you press the subscribe button, share with your friends so that they can also learn. Bye bye guys, see you tomorrow.